Karbo Grill X1. The Karbo Grill X1 Explorer is a revolutionary portable gas grill built for durability and high performance. Its die-cast aluminium body resists corrosion and harsh weather, while enamel ceramic iron grates offer excellent heat retention and easy cleaning. At its core lies an 8000 BTU stainless steel burner that heats up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for searing or griddling in any outdoor setting. The grill's foldable suitcase-style legs and waterproof Oxford carry case ensure easy portability from campsite to tailgate. A modular top lets users switch between grill and griddle, while the magnetic acacia cutting board and removable drip tray add convenience. Designed with minimal plastics and eco-friendly packaging, it balances function with sustainability. Safety features include an electric ignition, certified gas adapter, built-in shutoff valve, heat-resistant handles, and proper ventilation. Offered in stylish colors like natural grey and red lava, the Karbo X1 Explorer brings premium cooking to the outdoors. Greeshow Water Filter. The Greeshow electric portable water filter is a compact, high-performance device designed for modern campers and emergency preparedness. It features a powerful 5-stage filtration system, dual 0.01 micron hollow fiber membranes, PP cotton, KDF, activated carbon, and ultrafiltration that removes 99.999% of bacteria, viruses, heavy metals, and odors. With a built-in 2800 mAh battery, it delivers up to 700 milliliters per minute of clean water, producing around 230 liters per charge. Each filter cartridge lasts up to 1000 liters. The GS2811 model adds solar and hand crank charging, emergency LED SOS lighting, and even phone charging capability. Weighing only 350 grams and about the size of a 500 milliliters bottle, it's housed in a rugged waterproof ABS shell, ideal for tough environments. Reviewers praise its speed and ease of use, though some mention battery reliance as a drawback for ultralight hikers. Overall, it's a versatile and reliable solution for safe water anywhere. OPUS T46 Smart Tent. The OPUS T46 Smart Tent is an innovative self-inflating air tent designed for campers seeking both convenience and comfort. It comfortably fits up to 6 people and is crafted from durable OPUS FSG 300 fabric with a 6000 mm hydrostatic head, ensuring excellent waterproof protection. Inflation is simple with 5 built-in air pumps activated by a button, while manual valves offer extra control. Inside, the tent features 3 smart zones: sleeping, living, and outdoor, each with LED lighting and USB-C ports powered by detachable 3000 mAh OPUS blowbank batteries. The inner tents block out external light for better sleep, and a tropical roof cover improves thermal comfort. Extras include a footprint for ground protection and a wheeled roller bag for easy transport. The OPUS T46 Smart Tent blends innovative technology with practical design, making it perfect for families and outdoor enthusiasts seeking a premium camping experience. Kelty Spill-Ender. The Kelty Spill-Ender is a versatile and eco-friendly camping accessory designed to keep paper towels dry, clean, and easy to access. Made from durable 600D polyester, it functions as a cover, dispenser, and hanger in one compact unit. Its size accommodates various roll types, including oversized paper towels and shop towels, making it perfect for different outdoor needs. The center support rod allows smooth dispensing, while a zippered opening makes reloading quick and hassle-free. Weighing only 8 ounces and measuring 8 inch by 8 inch by 12.5 inch, the Spill-Ender is lightweight and portable. It features an integrated clip and additional loops for versatile hanging options, allowing campers to attach it to tents, tables, or trees. This keeps paper towels off the ground, preventing them from getting wet or dirty. By using the Kelty Spill-Ender, campers reduce waste and extend the life of their towels, supporting a more sustainable and organized camping experience. NEMO Stargaze EVO-X. The NEMO Stargaze EVO-X is an advanced camping chair designed to offer both comfort and useful functionality. Weighing just over 14 pounds, it boasts a sturdy folding X-style steel frame that unfolds effortlessly, requiring no assembly. Its standout feature is the auto-recline system, which allows users to lean back and enjoy a gentle, hammock-like swinging motion for unmatched relaxation. Designed with 6 points of contact and flared feet, the chair remains stable on uneven surfaces and supports up to 300 pounds. The seat is made from durable, eco-friendly 100% recycled PET polyester fabric. Comfort is further enhanced with a padded headrest and extra cushioning at key pressure points. Practicality is also considered with 2 built-in cup holders and a roll-top carrying case with an adjustable shoulder strap for easy transport. Available in several colors, the NEMO Stargaze EVO-X is perfect for camping, tailgating, or any outdoor adventure focused on comfort. Jetboil Flash 1.0L. The Jetboil Flash 1.0L fast boil system is a great option for campers looking for a fast and efficient method to boil water. Weighing only 13.1 ounces, it features a 1-litre flux ring cooking cup that ensures rapid heating. The stove uses Jetboil's jet power fuel canisters, providing reliable fuel efficiency. Its new turn-and-click ignition system makes starting the stove simple and convenient, while the ceramic-encased igniter improves durability. A unique thermochromatic heat indicator changes color to let you know when your water is ready, adding ease to your outdoor cooking. The bottom cover serves as a measuring cup and bowl, helping save space. The redesigned burner offers a secure 3-point locking mechanism and a textured grip for safety. With a fast boil time of about 2 minutes per half litre, the Jetboil Flash 1.0L is perfect for solo or duo campers wanting a dependable, fast cooking solution. Leatherman ARC. The Leatherman ARC is a premium multi-tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts and campers seeking durability and advanced functionality. It weighs 8.6 ounces and measures 4.25 inches when closed, offering 20 tools including a MagnaCut steel blade, needle nose pliers, wire cutters, and multiple drivers. A standout feature is the innovative free-registered trademark technology, which uses magnets to allow smooth, one-handed operation without the need for fingernails. Constructed with high-quality 420 and 440C stainless steel, and coated with DLC and PVD finishes, the Arc resists corrosion and wear. With a hardness rating of 63 HRC, the knife blade maintains its sharpness for an extended time. Additional features include a removable pocket clip, a 4-pocket nylon sheath for easy storage, and compatibility with Leatherman's bit kit to increase versatility. Manufactured in Portland, Oregon, the Leatherman Arc is a reliable, feature-rich multi-tool that justifies its premium price for serious outdoor users. Grayl UltraPress Ti. The Grayl UltraPress Ti is a compact and sturdy water purifier designed specifically for explorers and travelers venturing into remote locations. Weighing 14.1 ounce and holding 16.9 FLOs, it features a strong titanium outer cup and a simple press-to-purify system. In just 10 seconds, users can filter water, removing harmful contaminants like viruses, bacteria, and protozoa. Its advanced purification combines electroadsorption and activated carbon to also eliminate microplastics, heavy metals, and chemical pollutants. The purifier cartridge is good for up to 300 uses and lasts 10 years unopened. Engineered for rugged use, the titanium shell can endure drops from 6 feet onto hard surfaces. A paracord D-ring loop makes it easier to handle in difficult conditions, and it's compatible with drink mixes. With a 10-year warranty, the UltraPress Ti delivers reliable, efficient hydration wherever you roam. RinseKit HyperHeater 2.0. The RinseKit HyperHeater 2.0 is a portable propane-powered water heater designed for outdoor use. Weighing 20 pounds, it is compatible with RinseKit models such as the Pro, Cube, Rack, and Tailgate shower. This tankless heater quickly heats water to temperatures up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit in just 30 seconds, providing hot showers wherever you are. Users can easily adjust the water temperature using the built-in dial and gauge. It operates on HD5 consumer-grade propane, which must be bought separately. For safety, it automatically shuts off when water reaches 106 degrees Fahrenheit to avoid overheating. The heater includes a max-flow shower head with a suction cup for steady water delivery. A storage bag is provided to keep the heater, propane, and cables neatly organized. Remember, the HyperHeater 2.0 requires a compatible RinseKit shower system and should only be used outdoors in well-ventilated areas to ensure safe operation. Electric Outdoors EO Canopy. The Electric Outdoors EO Canopy is a cutting-edge off-grid camping unit that redefines outdoor living by combining sustainability with modern convenience. Its solar tracking roof captures up to 25% more energy than fixed panels, producing 45 to 64 kilowatt-hour daily. This energy is stored in a 154 kilowatt-hour sodium-ion battery, powering level 2 EV charging, Starlink satellite internet, and 110-volt outlets. The canopy features a kitchenette with an induction cooktop, a wet bath with a recirculating shower, LED mood lighting, and sleeping space for up to 4 people. It generates up to 18 gallons of purified water daily through an atmospheric water generator, stored in a 100-gallon tank. Waste is managed by an energy-efficient incineration toilet that converts waste into ash. Designed for easy setup on various terrains, the EO Canopy is perfect for campers, landowners, RVers, and EV drivers seeking a comfortable, fully self-sustaining glamping experience powered entirely by renewable energy. Therm-a-Rest Boost 650. The Therm-a-Rest Boost 650 is a revolutionary backpacking sleeping bag that excels in comfort, versatility, and sustainability. Its standout feature, the Warm Zip trademark center zipper, allows users to switch between a roomy semi-rectangular shape and a heat-efficient mummy style, boosting warmth by up to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Filled with 650 fill-power RDS certified hydrophobic down, it's zoned for optimal insulation while staying lightweight. The shell and lining use 100% recycled, GRS certified nylon with a PFAS-free DWR finish, ensuring water resistance and eco-conscious construction. Armhole vents allow for hands-free tasks like reading or card games, and multiple sizes offer an inclusive fit. Designed for maximum comfort and ease of use, it features anti-snag YKK zippers, a draft collar, a two-way side zipper, and an adjustable hood. Ultralight and compact, the Boost 650 delivers superior warmth-to-weight performance, earning it a Gear Junkie Best in Show award and high praise across the outdoor community. Winnerwell Iron Stove. The Winnerwell Iron Stove blends timeless design with modern practicality, weighing just 5.3 pounds. Inspired by 19th century sad iron cookers, its cast iron construction, mica viewing window, brass accents, and stainless steel burner deliver both durability and nostalgic appeal. The 600ml fuel tank runs on paraffin or kerosene for up to 5 hours, offering consistent heat without frequent refueling. Compact at 200 by 130 by 250 millimeters, it's ideal for car camping or base camp setups and easy to pack away. The top grate accommodates grilling or boiling, transforming it into a versatile cooking station. The mica window provides a cozy glow, enhancing the campsite atmosphere. Praised on TrailSpace for its vintage-inspired design and ambient firelight, some note liquid fuel's inconvenience over wood. Still, with its steady burn and sturdy build, the Iron stove is a functional showpiece for those who love heritage-style outdoors. EXPED DeepSleep. The EXPED DeepSleep is a 3-inch self-inflating camping mat built for campers who want firm, supportive sleep without the bulk. Its 3D vertical sidewall construction maximizes the flat sleeping surface, offering edge-to-edge comfort similar to a home mattress. Inside, a 7.5 cm open-cell polyurethane foam core provides both cushioning and excellent insulation, with a high R value around 8.5 to protect against cold ground. The brushed 75D recycled polyester surface is soft, quiet, and eco-conscious. Dual flat valves allow for fast inflation and deflation. Weighing approximately 4.5 pounds and packing down to 26 by 8 in, it's far more portable than EXPED's Megamat, making it ideal for car camping or van life. A top-up pump and repair kit are included. While it sleeps firmer than thicker mats, the DeepSleep offers a practical blend of warmth, durability, and comfort in a highly packable form. AdventureMate AMV2. The AdventureMate AMV2 is a rugged all-in-one camping multi-tool designed to replace an entire toolbox without sacrificing portability. Its 16-inch carbon fiber reinforced nylon handle features an ergonomic rubber grip and a patented 2-stage cam locking system, securing 5 interchangeable heads: axe, saw, shovel, hammer, and a tent peg hook that doubles as a bottle opener. Each head is crafted from durable steel, ideal for chopping, sawing, digging, or staking tents. The axe features high-carbon blade steel, the shovel has a sharpened edge and foot pegs, and the saw is curved and replaceable. Everything packs neatly into a compact holster with a leather sheath and magnetic buckle. Proudly made and assembled in the US with 75% domestic content, the AMV2 is built to last. Backed by a lifetime warranty and eco-pledge, it weighs just 4.5 pounds and is the ultimate Swiss Army knife of serious outdoor gear. Alpcour Portable Toilet. The Alpcour Portable Toilet delivers a home-like bathroom experience outdoors. Made of heavy-duty, rust-resistant plastic, it supports up to 440 pounds, ideal for all ages. Its 2-part design includes a 3.2-gallon freshwater tank and a 5.3-gallon waste tank, offering over 50 flushes with a piston pump, no plumbing required. A 360-degree sprayer keeps the bowl clean, while a rotating spout and anti-leak valve ensure mess-free emptying. The waste level indicator prevents overflow, and a sturdy carry bag simplifies transport. At 16 inches tall, the seat height mimics home toilets, offering comfort and ease of use. Though some users note minor cleaning challenges and sprayer hose quirks, most praise its durability and efficiency. With no need for disposable liners or harsh chemicals, it's an eco-conscious, cost-saving choice. Perfect for camping, boating, or RVing, The Alpcour portable toilet combines hygiene, portability, and practicality for life on the go.